Maybe everybody's already familiar with this, but when you say CLI, single agent YOLO, CLI, multi-agent YOLO, 10 plus agents hand managed, and then having a true orchestrator, can you kind of talk through what happens differently in those stages?
Yeah. So, I mean, look, as soon as you realize Claude Code can write your code for you, and it can't write all of it, but it can write pieces of it. And so you learn how to specify the pieces and put it together like you're assembling Lego now, right? Well, as it's working, you're just sitting there like this, right? Well, like almost immediately, what you do is you fire up another Claude Code in parallel and have it work on something else because you have time and you can multitask, right? And so the jump from level 5 to level 6 is actually quite fast. Like after a few days of using Cloud Code, you're going to quickly realize you're bored waiting for it, and you'll juggle two of them. And that's the beginning of the end, Tim. That's when you're starting to head down because what eventually will happen, and this is the AI vampire talking, is you're going to reach an equilibrium where you will eventually spin up enough of them that there will always be one ready for you. There will always be one waiting for you. And so you're just sitting there round robining through your agents going, giving them help. Okay. And you're stuck. You can't leave your computer. You're having fun, but it's right. It's craziness because as soon as you spin up enough agents, you've got like, I don't know, six of them. The one of them will always be finished up and ready for more, right? So it's incredibly addictive, it's incredibly productive, it is incredibly dangerous. I saw a news article today or yesterday about some engineer who Cloud Code had deleted all of their code, all of their database, and all of their snapshots from 2.5 years. So it deleted everything, like very thoroughly. There was no recovery, right? So like you gotta understand these things are not sandboxed well, they're not protected well. If you use them, they can do damage at scale. But if you sort of embrace the idea that software is throwaway, it gets emotionally easier to deal with this. Like it happens to me too. This is how vibe coding works now. Okay. Is sometimes work gets lost. It hurts. You redo the work. It costs you a couple of bucks. Move on.